What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get accounts that have permissions with different files and stuff. So let's get into it. So I already made my test file. It's just a file document or a text document. All it has inside is hello. That's all it says inside. It just says hello, that's it, nothing else. But yeah, I'm just gonna move it here. No, I'm just joking. But yeah. So the first thing you want to do to set permissions is you want to right click on it, then press on properties at the very bottom, then security, and then you'll see all the groups or the user names right here. So that's me right there. That's the system group. I am in the system group. Obviously, it automatically puts you there. I am also a administrator, so the administrator group is here. I cannot remove this group. As you can see, there's no remove option. Same with the system thingy. But you can press on edit right here to remove these two. It does not remove the system. As you can see, that is the error. It says you cannot remove the system because blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm not even gonna read this like a paragraph wrong. A paragraph long, not wrong. What? Paragraph long, and it takes. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time. But if you want, you can do it yourself. Read it, blah blah blah, and yeah, come back. But anyway, same with the administrators. You can't remove it. Same error will come. But yeah, I have these are the two what's that? The two accounts that I have that have permissions to open this up. Right now, John has full control on this file. This isn't real, but John isn't a real person. I just made the account for this video, but John has full control. It can read and write. It can write stuff in here if it was a real person. This is just if it was a real person, but it's not a real person. Pretend it was, but it would have full control, like it can delete stuff, all that, read and execute, modify, read and write. It will be very, it would just have full control on this one file. But the thing is, it won't have control on any other file unless I put it there as the file. If, say I want to do the mouse picture right here, I want him to have full control on the mouse picture file, then I would have to do a permission list for him there, but right now I haven't, so that's why he wouldn't have full control on that area. But here, he does have full control, but me here has no control on this at all. I can type and all that, but I just don't have full control. I can do stuff because I made the file, but if this was a real account, they could obviously just like remove me and stuff. So yeah, and if I want John to not just don't do anything, and it would get denied out of the file. So if I just tick full control, it would just tick everything else. Because if full control is basically opening up the file. If you can't open up the file, then what's the point in reading the file if you can't open it up? So that's why you need to have full control first. So I am obviously gonna I can't select it right now because as you can see it's all ticked automatically for me since I am the person that made the file, so it's gonna be automatically ticked for me. But right here, as you can see, I can press deny and it will tick all of them for this person, for John I mean. And I can also switch on full control for allow, and it will just give him full control again. But I'm just gonna get him to deny. So now whenever what's this error? Oh my god, I don't even know. But it should not come up with that error. I don't know, that must have been a fake error. I must have done it on the system by accident. But yeah, so now once you press apply and OK, press OK. Now you are able to type in here like this, blah blah blah. And oh my god, I deleted the massive hello that we all love. There we go, hello. And say you want to just type in I don't know what should I type? I don't even know. I just write hi. Yeah, that's a good word. Hello, hi. You know we gotta add the what's up. There we go. Okay. But you can now save it, and now if we go to the properties, security, and we change the permissions again to we go to John, we allow him to do stuff. Okay. Our stuff will still be there. We just can't type since John has all of the permissions. As you can see right here, I am typing. I'm not sure if you can hear, but I am typing, as you can see right here. It does not work for me. John has full control on this, and I can't type on any part. I can still mouse around everywhere, but I just can't type. I can't space. I can only exit out, and that's it. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I'm just gonna get rid of this now. Bye bye. Yep, that was the best thing I've ever done on my channel, but no, I'm just joking. But that is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you learned something in today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.